In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Microsoft Excel XLSX file in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill, especially if you're transitioning from using Excel to working with the cloud-based platform of Google Sheets, or if you simply want to access your Excel data online without any hassle. Let's dive right in and get started. The first step in this simple process is to open a new or existing Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage. If you're unsure how to get there, simply type Google Sheets into your browser's search bar and click on the first link that appears. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you have access to all your files and tools. Once you're in Google Sheets, it's time to move on to the next step. Look toward the top left corner of the interface and you'll see the option labeled File. Click on this. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a variety of choices such as New, Import, and Open. Right now, we want to load an existing Excel file, so you'll need to select the Open option from this menu. After clicking Open, a dialog box will emerge on your screen. Here's where you can decide where to access your file from. In our case, we're going to select My Drive because that's where most of us usually store our documents and files within Google Drive. Clicking on My Drive ensures that you are taken to all files stored in your cloud storage. Once you're in My Drive, go ahead and locate the folder specifically for your documents. This is usually labeled as Documents. Click on that folder, and you'll be presented with a list of all your saved documents within that folder. Make sure your Excel file is stored here before proceeding. Now, it's time to select the file you want to open. Browse through your documents until you find your Excel file with the .xlsx extension. Click on this file to select it. You'll see a blue highlight around your file, indicating it's ready to be opened. Finally, look back to the interface where the option Open should now be visible to you. Go ahead and click on Open. This will launch your selected Excel file within Google Sheets. Now, you'll be able to view and work with the data from your Excel file directly in Google Sheets. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully opened an Excel file in Google Sheets. You can now enjoy the convenience of working with your data from anywhere while taking advantage of all the collaboration features that Google Sheets offers. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!